Hey everyone, today we'll be making your foaming whipped sugar scrub, and I didn't have the footage of me whipping the base, but it's already done and we're going to be making two colors. So the first color you saw, the pink color, that will be scented with bubblegum, and this red color that you just saw, it will be scented with cherries. So we'll have a cherry and bubblegum scented sugar scrub, and I call this the Neopolitan sugar scrub. So you can find these on my website, guys, diansbathandbody.square.site. All right, so we've already added the sugar, and just look how creamy this is. This is so satisfying to watch. I really wanted to go and use this, but no, it is for the video. This is just so, it's like a cloud. It was just foaming like a cloud. So let's now work on the cherry side of our scrub, and we're just going to be doing the same thing, blending in our sugar. We've already, as I said before, added our oils and our soap base and blended that up, and our flavoring is already added, and the sugar is the last thing that we added here. And just look how smooth this just, it's just gorgeous. It is just gorgeous, and this will help with you using this sugar scrub. So instead of having everything in your bathtub, you will actually be able to hold the sugar scrub in your hand and massage it all over your body. So now I'm just going to lay it down on a cookie sheet, and then we are going to wrap this up so that we have our two colored Neapolitan sugar scrub. I was about to say ice cream. So here we go, guys. We're just putting our sugar scrubs together. Then we're going to fold this in. Then we're going to just drop it into our squeezy bag. Is that what we call it? A squeezy bag? This bag, that's what I'm talking about. So I'm not going to put in one of the tips. I'm just going to go straight out from the bag and just make, so, oh, I just love the design. It's just smooth, even though it, well, you'll see how it looks like an ice cream at the end. It already looks like the Neapolitan ice cream. So just wait until I put the sprinkles on. And this decoration, guys, just takes it to another level where, listen, do not eat this. All right, when you get this, do not eat this. Look at this. Look how this just makes it look just like a tub of ice cream. That's why I'm saying to you, do not eat this scrub. I know it will be tempting, but do not eat this scrub. And it actually smells so good with the bubblegum and cherry scented. So here I just finished the second container and just putting on those sprinkles again to make this so beautiful and attractive. And it has so much nutritional values, because not only does the soap in this helps you to wash away the dirt from your skin, but the oils that we added is also there to moisturize your skin and to help to renew and make sure that your skin is back to normal. Hence, the reason why you're using a scrub is because there's dry skin or just dead skins that need to be washed away. Now, let me show you how to use this. And I'm just going to wet the scrub in my hand because I'm not in a bathtub. If I were in a bathtub, I would be wetting my body first and then applying the scrub. And you'll see what I mean when I'm telling you that this will just smooth over your body, so you'll get the full use of the sugar to scrub those dead skins off, and then the soap will just wash away that dead skin. So you won't lose anything in the tub. Yeah, you won't lose anything in the tub. Every drop of this scrub will be used as you apply it to your skin, and the more you rub it, that's the more foam it will get. And you'll just see how my skin just rinses very clean and leaving it soft, and smooth. So this is our Neapolitan sugar scrub, guys. Do not forget, check it out on our website at diansbathandbody.square.site.